When selecting an epoxy grout that will interface with the concrete foundation, one should try to choose a grout with a low coefficient of thermal expansion, such as Chalkfast Red. From the chart, we see that concrete has a coefficient of thermal expansion of 5.9 times 10 to the minus 6 inch per degree Fahrenheit. While Chalkfast Red has the lowest thermal coefficient of epoxy grouts today at 11.2, it is still higher than concrete. Notice that other epoxy grouts on the market go much higher, even up to 28. This means that it is much harder to control the thermal expansion and contraction of the epoxy grout as the coefficients of thermal expansion values increase. Because Chalkfast Red has such a low exothermic temperature reaction and a low coefficient of thermal expansion, it can be poured in excess of 18 inches deep at 42-inch intervals. With most other epoxy grouts, the thickness of the pour must be reduced considerably, and the interval spacing of expansion joints is also severely reduced.